All over the world, people rely on lifts to transport them up and down tall buildings. A lift is like a car that goes up and down a shaft, which is often situated in the middle of a building. When a lift breaks down, it affects the lives of all the people using the building. The lift mechanic installs, maintains, and repairs lifts. This career requires a basic diploma in electrical, mechanical, or electromechanical engineering. This is followed by a 3-year apprenticeship and a trade test. A lift is like a car or cabin that is attached to strong steel ropes. These ropes go over a motor, which determines whether the lift is going up or down. The lift mechanic has to be fit and able to work in difficult environments and still stay focused. He should also not be afraid of heights. With the safety of passengers being the top priority, the mechanic will check the ropes to see that they are not damaged. A counterweight on the other side of the ropes keeps the lift steady. Electricity is also saved by letting the force of gravity help the lift move up and down. The car and the counterweight are attached to rails which prevent the lift from swaying from side to side. A very important feature of a lift is that it has a good braking system, brakes on the motor and a set of safety brakes on the guide rails. Another very important safety feature are the door locks. They make sure when the doors are open, the lift cannot move. Once the door is closed, the brakes are released. The lift mechanic has to check the sensors on the doors that prevent them from closing onto a person. He also has to check that the lift opens at exactly the right level so that passengers don't stumble and fall as they get in and out of the lift. The lift mechanic has to understand both the electronics and the mechanics of a lift. A lift is controlled electronically from a panel. A lift mechanic is a career that is in demand. It is possible to specialize in designing and building elevators. A lift mechanic can also become a lift inspector. The satisfaction of this career is in knowing that every day millions of people and goods are transported safely and conveniently.